What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Kiara Sine, and I'm back with another video. Today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I got my hair to grow in a short period of time, and the products I use to get my hair curly, and the products I use to wash my hair, and all that good stuff. So make sure you like, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend, and let's get this video popping, okay? So I just want to say I used, to get my hair like this, I used a spray bottle, and actually I'm just gonna show y'all. I literally used these three things. This is actually from my little sister, and I use this to get my curls to like really form and stay in place, because sometimes my hair gets like wet, and when it dries it'll get nappy. So when you use this after you wash your hair, I'm gonna have everything in the description box so you guys can see. It's called Curls Unleashed. It really works. Like the texture of it, it's not really a wet texture. It's like a weird texture. Like you have to really like get it in your hair so it can like really get inside your hair. And this is just regular hair milk. It's coconut milk with shea butter, vitamin C, and sunflower oil. It's a leave-in detangler. It gets your hair like really cute. And yeah, obviously y'all see this curl pattern. And I just put water in here. I don't have any water in this right now simply because I used it all just to achieve this look in my hair right now. Yeah. So this is what I mainly use on a daily basis to get my hair cute. These right here. And I also use a curl defining cream. It's called Naturel from Dark and Lovely. It comes with mango oil, bamboo milk. And this texture is pink, and it's kind of running out. Normally, when I wash my hair, I kind of like go through both of them. I don't really have like a set product that I use when I show you guys these things I use, because I kind of just go back and forth. This is called Garnier Whole Blends. It comes with shampoo and conditioner, and I normally use this a lot because it smells so good. It has ginger and golden honey, and it smells so good. Like, it smells like, I wish it was like body wash, because it smells like really good. And the conditioner smells just like it. Ooh, I got some in my hand. This is not what you're supposed to do, but alright. I also use this. Sometimes the Pantene has like conditioner and shampoo in one, but this one is just conditioner. And I think my mom got this because we're running out of conditioner. As you can see, we use a lot of conditioner in this house. And it gets your hair really wavy, curly, and it's really good for like textured hair. And it comes with argan oil. And, you know, I love washing my hair because, like, these type of products really get foamy. And I love when my hair is foamy and, like, I just comb it and just, I love how it feels. And, yeah, so, but, I know a lot of you guys want to just know how I grew my hair, period. I cut my hair in 2019 because I was, like, going through, like, a depressed stage, I guess. Like, when I look back, I'm like, girl, what were you thinking? Like, my family and, like, a lot of people tell me all the time, like, you should never cut your hair. You should never cut your hair. But believe it or not, my hair grew back. Like, it's just a different curl texture. Like, I'm going to show a picture of how my curl texture was at first. But, like, it's a whole different curl texture. And it's just the same way, but it's better curls. Because I cut it in a way where the curl pattern would change. So when I cut my hair, like, I just wasn't thinking, and I didn't even use the proper tools to cut my hair. Like, if you check out my video, y'all can see how cringy it was, all you want to, but I did not use the proper scissors. So my mom took me to the hair academy at our mall in my city, and they cut it more. They had to, like, cut it in, like, a weird angle because I cut the back shorter than the front. The front was, like, mad long, and then the back was, like, mad short. So I would always have my little puff and, like, the rest of loose. Because that's all I could do. Like, I really could not do nothing else. I couldn't put the back of my hair in a ponytail. It was just horrible. Like, I just looked a mess. Like, I really did look a mess. When I look back, I'm like, girl, what were you thinking? But I'm kind of glad I did it because my hair has changed drastically. Like, I want to dye my hair blonde, but just looking at how my hair, like, really changed and, like, the curl pattern of it now, I love it. Like, I feel like that beat. But I always got braids. Like, I kept my hair braided up all the time. If I didn't get braids, oh yeah, I was getting braids a lot at that time because I was hanging out around one of my family members that did hair, so she would always do my hair. It would always be in braids, like something really cute, and it helped my hair grow a lot. And then, like, I never got my hair flat iron until no. I take that back. At the time, I had a friend that used to do my hair. She used to give me blowouts, wash it, and put, like, this good, like, salon stuff in it. So that probably helped my hair a lot, too. Like, my hair grew really fast. Like, I have clips of blowouts when my hair grew. My hair, like, it works for me really good. It gets my curls, like, it gives me, like, a vibe. Like, I look good. Okay? But yeah, like, I just kept my hair braided. I didn't really get wigs or nothing like that. I want to start getting into wigs. So if you let me, send me a wig. I just recommend you guys always keep your hair braided. It's summertime. Keep your hair braided all the time and watch how your results change. Put oil in your hair. Put wild growth oil or put any type of moisturizing argan oil in your hair. That helps a lot too. Like, I forgot. It started with a C. It's like castor oil. Yeah, put castor oil in your hair. It grows your hair a lot too. And yeah, so if you like this video, make sure you like, subscribe, and tell a friend to tell a friend. And let's get this video popping, y'all. And let's give me the 5K. Make sure you drop some comments on some videos you want to see next. I got some story times coming for y'all. So make sure you stay tuned for that. The video might have been really quick. And I'm sorry because, like, I talked super fast. And I really don't use a lot of products in my hair.